Welcome to Escape Camper Life. Today, we're diving into the future of adventure with the 2025 model 2026 Toyota Hybrid Camper. This vehicle is a game changer, combining eco-friendly hybrid technology with off-road capabilities and luxury comforts, making it the perfect companion for both urban explorers and off-grid adventurers. The exterior of the 2026 Toyota Hybrid Camper is designed with both style and durability in mind. With a sleek yet rugged body, it features a glossy finish available in multiple colors, including a stunning deep metallic gray and vibrant adventure-ready yellow. The aerodynamic shape enhances fuel efficiency, while reinforced skid plates and all-terrain tires ensure it's ready for any road condition. The LED lighting system provides excellent visibility, and the solar panel integration on the roof supports sustainable energy use, keeping your devices charged and appliances running no matter where you are. Step inside, and you'll find a spacious, tech-forward interior designed for comfort and convenience. The layout maximizes space with smart storage solutions and convertible furniture. The seating area transforms into a cozy bed, and the built-in kitchen is equipped with an induction cooktop, a compact refrigerator, and ample counter space. The camper also features a fully functional bathroom with a water-efficient shower and a composting toilet, making it ideal for long-term travel. With premium materials, soft touch surfaces, and customizable ambient lighting, the interior provides a luxurious home-on-wheels experience. Toyota has packed this camper with the latest technology to enhance safety and ease of travel. The hybrid Powertrain ensures optimal fuel efficiency without compromising performance. With an advanced all-wheel drive system, adaptive suspension, and intelligent terrain response, this camper is ready to take on mountain trails, sandy dunes, or icy roads. The high-capacity battery allows for extended off-grid adventures, while smart connectivity features like voice-activated controls, a touchscreen infotainment system, and wireless charging stations make every journey seamless and enjoyable. Designed for modern explorers, the 2026 Toyota Hybrid Camper redefines travel freedom. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a full-time nomad, this camper offers everything you need to live and travel comfortably. The blend of hybrid efficiency, cutting-edge features, and a rugged yet elegant design makes it one of the most exciting campers hitting the market. Thanks for watching Escape Camper Life. If you're excited about the future of adventure travel, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the best camper vans and RVs coming your way. Until next time, happy travels.